Installation of a window with hidden hinges. Start the installation by opening the intermediate fasteners. Then remove the inner sash from the frame. Open the sash and remove the 2 frame screws. Open the quick release latch by pressing it with, for example, the tip of a screwdriver. Firmly support the sash to be removed and ensure that its weight is manageable for the assistant. Detach the inner sash from the hinge by turning the sash. Remove the exterior sash and install the frame into the opening according to Skaala's installation instructions. Once the window frame and outer sash are installed, install the inner sash. The inner sash is installed as follows. Open both hidden hinges of the sash to a 90-degree angle. With the help of an assistant, set the sash into the hinge at a 45-degree angle to the frame. Press the hinge slot onto the pin of the counterplate. Ensure the hinge is fully seated before turning the sash. The hinge is turned by pressing the quick release while turning the sash. Ensure the hinge remains fully seated against the pin. Attach the frame screws perpendicularly into the fixing holes towards the wood. Ensure proper operation and close the sash, locking it by turning the handle.